Hello guys, welcome to the course. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss about editing audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to do a basic audio editing, if we play this,
The most fun because it's such a great group of clients. Our office has instated a work from home policy and a hybrid being able to go into software that I've worked with so far. Executive to work on all of our priorities for Hamilton.
so if we want to increase the volume, we can increase. First of all, we'll press Alt and increase, and here we'll scroll up. So therefore, we can see in a larger scale. After that, we can increase the volume.
Pants and not have to worry about what anyone looks like, but it's just really great having that option. So the first thing I do when I sit down at my desk,
so you can see that the volume is up. If we control Z, it means undo it, we can increase the volume level from here to
is make sure I open all of my applications, so my email, my calendar, our project management software, just to get a
can
sense
decrease the
of
volume
that's come
also.
overnight that it needs my attention, and then I'll start routing things.
We can decrease the volume too.
I'll go in if I have something that's really, really important that I need a lot of people in.
You can say that we have decreased the volume, and if we reset here,
That is really color coordinated, and we're able to customize it to fit the needs of our company. So it's really great for our designers to upload any.
We can increase or decrease the volume from here or by here. We can mute by this option also. If we undo this, it will go back to the normal or previous position. So this is how the code editing of audio in Premiere Pro we can begin. We'll meet up in next lesson with another topic. Thank you.